Mimi ni kiavyosa. Maneno yangu anakoka zaidi. Safi. Si Mungu anapeleka wewe. Anakusaidia. Mungu anasaidia. Ile na mtoto ile ni mzuri.
So as you can see, the lady is happy after having been acquitted of the charges of grievous harm leveled against her. The court has today come out clear and said that there was no evidence at all against the accused person. One of the witnesses alluded to the fact that she assisted the principal offenders when after they had finished to conceal evidence. But even that one, the court has said that the investigations were not properly carried to show that she actually participated even in concealing the evidence in this matter. She's 8 years and she looks happy, she looks set. We are going to see how she's going to be integrated into society. But going forward, let the investigations be done on matters where it looks as if it is a public issue.
Haya.